Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again for this Monday. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. It's a new week ahead. So we have another Amazon review to do. I'm telling you, this is the best whole home mesh Wi-Fi system out right now. I have it all set up right now. This is coming from MeshForce. This is the box that looks like for the 3-pack. So links will be down below where you could purchase either the 3-pack or the 1-pack. You could have like multiple of these units hooked up through your office, through your house, pretty much everywhere. Really easy to set up. Got it running right now and it is smooth sailing. My Netflix was working great. Pretty much my whole house now is fully Wi-Fi. Definitely excited, and I just got the basic 500 gig router from Wow, my internet service, and they got the Wi-Fi, but this boosts it crazy amount. Wireless coverage up to 6+ bedrooms, high performance. This is the thing right here, the future right now. There's all the goodies that comes with it. You can use your app on the Apple Store or the Google Play. I got it running off my Galaxy. So that's what it looks on the back. All the good stuff. Full house, big office zone, medium apartment. So if you want to get one for your bedroom in a small 1-bedroom apartment, you will want just one of them. So like a condo and a small office, you want to get that, and a bigger home and a bigger office, you want to get these. But once you get these 3, you can always buy more to add on. So it all depends on how you feel with these. Like I said, easy to set up. We'll remove the box on the side and show you what I have hooked up to. So here's the MeshForce. Watch out, ET. Here's the MeshForce unit. Comes with a Ethernet cable. I have that plugged in on this one, and there's the power. And I just got it plugged back in here to my basic hookup right there. And then now we're going to show you the app. Got it all running. I got it downloaded. And like I said, this is so smooth how it works. It's really easy. But it took me a minute. Like I said, I'm not used to setting these things up by myself. So definitely happy that I did. So really not that hard to hook up. If I could do it, anybody could do it. So just gotta have some little patience with it. Make sure everything's running smooth. Or go to stream. So here it is. This is what the once you type it in, you find it on your Google. It's My Mesh. So you press that. Hopefully nothing info comes out. Okay, yep, here we go. It is connected to 3 devices. Kind of looks like a pyramid. I think this is the main one that I have running. Then I branched it off to these 2. One's in the basement, one's in the kitchen. I got 3 connected devices. Doesn't show nothing important. Alright, good. Shows what I have hooked up to them right now. I'm probably going to hook maybe one more thing up to it. Not sure what yet though. Maybe PS4 or Xbox One. Depends. You can fire stick it up, and it shows. Not exactly sure why. Oh, I can't show all that. That has my info. But see, it shows it's connected. In case something goes wrong, you'll have notification menu. You could sign up. Do not disturb. You can have that turned off. So that's really cool. You don't have to have the notifications going crazy, just like on Twitter or something like that. I'll show you in a minute where I have them positioned. Just trying to figure out what else do I need to show you guys. We got the settings, pretty smooth. You could do guest network, parental control, internet settings, QoS settings, add another mesh point, fast roaming, capacity oriented mode, smart assistant. I think that's for like, with this function, enable smart assistant connects to your device up to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network for 30 minutes to help discover small discover and install smart devices that only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network to your home. So that's really cool. And like I said, wireless settings. Oops, yeah, that's my password. You gotta change it instead of showing up my MeshForce.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
There's Alexa. Pass the oriented mode. That's what it shows. Enables when over 30 clients connect to your mesh. Whoa, that's a lot. So that's like a big business almost. Port forwarding. You can do that. Not exactly sure what that is. I haven't really messed around with that too much. So if you guys know, drop a comment down below. It would help me out. And DNS. Oh, that has my info. You could do a maintenance schedule on it. A system reboot. Sunday through Thursday delay. It's really cool. So there's one. I'm going to show you where the other one's in a second. Hold on. Alright, YouTubers, here we are in the kitchen. This is where I have it right now for the MeshForce. Really cool. So once you got the main one hooked up, you could branch these little guys off to anywhere in your house, office, condo, apartment. Easy to hide, easy to use. And look at that. I have full bars. I don't know if you guys can see it. My meter, there it goes. Streaming looks great on this so far. Gaming so far, I did Madden last night and I had no glitches, no nothing. Now I'm going to show you where the other one is. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Oh, I'm dark. Hold on. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here it is, the third one. Like I said, easy to install. Sweet thing to have in your house, especially now with our gadgets, gizmos, and video games. So your kids could have their gaming area wired up with the Nintendo Switch and all that good stuff. Oh, my light just died. Come on. So really cool. And look at that. Full. Hopefully you guys could see it. Still full bar. And I don't lose no singles, drop no singles, just because of this. Thank you guys at MeshForce. YouTubers, I'm telling you, this is the best one right now on the market. And easy to install. You don't need to call no Geek Squad to the rescue or anybody like that. Just got to read the instructions a little bit and then scan the QR code, pick it up, install the app, my Mesh app, or you could just type it in. Links will be down below for all that good information. And that's about it for today. I will see you guys more back later with some unboxings. You guys have a good day. See ya.